Hi viewers, welcome to SHS Tech Solutions. Today in this tutorial we discuss on the topic is Flipkart design. What we discuss on today? Flipkart design using HTML and CSS. I will explain each and everything step by step with coding also. Before going to coding, I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, JS, jQuery, Bootstrap, AngularJS, and digital marketing technologies like SEO, SMO, SMM, complete free web tutorials and digital marketing technologies provided the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon also, you can directly get notifications to your Gmail. Okay guys, I am going to topic what we discuss on today, how to design Flipkarts. Flipkart means this is the card, it will be rotate 180 degrees or 360 degrees, whatever it may be your wish. Here I am writing 180 degrees by direction, so that's why it is left to right move. These are the Flipkarts. I will explain how to write the code for Flipkarts. This is the basic HTML structure. We are of know. First of all, also we'll check the output for this. Yeah, this is the output. Here I am write do class equal to Flipkart. Next, do class equal to Flipkart inner do class equal to Flipkart front image source from images folder alt equal to cards. Okay, next here do class equal to Flipkart back h2 SHS okay, next h3 Flipkart design in HTML and CSS. Okay, we should check the output. This is the output. Next, I will write the CSS for this. Box size, bottom box, margin 0. Next, body, background color, H1, text area center, padding 15 pixel, border bottom 5 pixel, solid color white. We should check the output. This is the output. Okay, next card. With the 300 pixel, 300 pixel. Background color transparent. Margin top 30 pixel. Margin left 30 pixel. So check the output. This is the output. Next, I will write the cards. Image ID is the cards. With 100% height 300 pixel. Yeah. Okay. Next. Flip card inner. Position relative with 100% height 100% text align center transition transform transform style result fading. Okay, next card forward inner transform rotate by 180 degrees. Next, look at front, look at back. Position of the gate with 100% height 100% back face visibly hidden. Next, flip card color black genetics. Next, flip card back background color dash 2298 B. Okay, color white transform rotate by 180 degrees. ZNX 1 external center. Okay, once we check the output, yeah, this is the output. Oh, left border, right pixel, solid. Yeah, solid. Yeah, okay. So guys, this is the process to run the flip cards using HTML and CSS. I hope we all understand how to write the flip cards using HTML and CSS. And so I am scroll down slowly, clearly observe CSS. This is the first one. I am copy paste the remaining things. So guys, this is the process. I hope we all understand how to design flipcards using HTML and CSS. If you have any doubts or comments, please below the video. Before going to complete this tutorial, I will say one thing again. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies and digital marketing technologies also. So guys, please like, share my videos and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon also, you can directly get notifications to your Gmail. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye.